Hello everyone. Today we are going to compare the currencies of India and Pakistan and understand their value, history, and economic significance. Introduction. India and Pakistan are neighboring countries in South Asia. Both countries gained independence in 1947 and initially used similar monetary systems. Today, however, each country has its own national currency. India's currency is the Indian Rupee, INR, represented by the symbol rupee. Pakistan's currency is the Pakistani Rupee, PKR, represented by the symbol Pakistani Rupee. Current exchange rate. As of recent exchange rates, 1 Indian Rupee, INR, approximately equals 2.9 Pakistani rupees. PKR, this means 1 Indian Rupee can buy nearly 3 Pakistani rupees. However, exchange rates change daily based on market conditions, inflation, foreign reserves, trade, and economic performance. Currency history. Indian Rupee, INR. The Indian Rupee has a long history dating back centuries. It is issued and regulated by the Reserve Bank of India. Common denominations include coins 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, notes 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 500 rupees. Pakistani Rupee, PKR. The Pakistani Rupee was introduced after independence in 1948 and is regulated by the State Bank of Pakistan. Common denominations include coins 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, notes 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 500 rupees, 1,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees. Why is the Indian Rupee stronger? Several factors contribute to the stronger value of the Indian Rupee compared to the Pakistani Rupee. 1. Larger economy. India has one of the world's largest economies. Higher GDP supports currency stability. 2. Foreign investment. India attracts significant foreign direct investment. Strong investment increases demand for the rupee. 3. Foreign exchange reserves. India generally maintains larger foreign currency reserves. Higher reserves improve confidence in the currency. 4. Export and technology sector. India has strong IT, pharmaceutical, manufacturing, and service industries. These sectors generate foreign currency earnings. Inflation comparison. Inflation affects purchasing power. Higher inflation usually weakens a currency over time. Pakistan has experienced periods of higher inflation than India in recent years. As a result, the Pakistani Rupee has faced greater depreciation. Purchasing power. Currency value alone does not determine living standards. For example, goods and services may cost less in one country than another. A weaker currency does not automatically mean people are poorer. Purchasing power depends on income levels, prices, and economic conditions. Quick facts. Feature India-Pakistan. Currency Indian Rupee, INR, Pakistani Rupee, PKR. Symbol rupees. Central Bank Reserve Bank of India, State Bank of Pakistan. Approx. Exchange rate 1. Indian Rupee approximately equals 2.9 Pakistani rupees. 1 Pakistani Rupee approximately equals 0.34 Indian rupees. Economy size larger, smaller. Foreign reserves higher, lower. Conclusion. In conclusion, both the Indian Rupee and Pakistani Rupee are important national currencies. The Indian Rupee currently has a higher value and benefits from a larger economy, stronger foreign reserves, and greater international investment. Meanwhile, the Pakistani Rupee plays a vital role in Pakistan's economy and continues to support the country's trade and financial activities. Thank you for listening. I hope this comparison helped you understand the differences between the Indian Rupee and the Pakistani Rupee.